Hey everyone, here we are, lesson 3, level 7. Choose your own adventures using the math square root function. So SQRT, my guess is going to be pretty similar to all the other things that we've done so far in these choose your own adventures. They're good practicing using the math stuff, but also it's good practice reading carefully. So let's try the rate of return first. I know we're going to use a square root somewhere. So here I am in the investment runner class, and they have created an investment object called savings. And my guess is this is this number is some sort of a deposit or how much is in my account. So let's go look at the investment class and see what that is. So investment. So it's a private variable, which is the amount of the investment that you must have purchased. And so if I look at the constructor, it's a purchase amount. And then there's my getter method. And this is what we are going to have to do. We are going to have to do something with this double calc return method where I return the sold amount, though I don't know what the sold amount is. But let's see. So in the investment Java, write the calc return method. So have a parameter sold amount. It does. That's a double. And then I want to calculate this formula. And I want to return that formula. And so I would really like to do a couple of things here because I know what's going to happen is the sold amount may not be greater than the purchase amount. That's going to be a problem. But anyway, I'm going to return math.sqrt. And then in the parentheses, I'm going to take my sold amount, if I only spelled it correctly, minus my purchase amount. And then in the investment runner, I'm going to call the calc return method using savings because that's my object. So I'm going to go savings dot calc return, and it doesn't take, I need to remember, I need to pass it a sold amount. And so let's see what happens if I just put in $50. Let's put in $20 to start and see what happens. We should get an error with this. So I will go system.out.println. We should get an error when this runs. And let's see if we do. I guess, not an error, but we get this thing that is not a number. Because what has happened is that this number I'm passing to the calc return method is less than my purchase amount. I really don't know what the heck they're doing here. This problem really makes no sense. So I need to get my sold amount to be greater than my purchased amount. So I would have liked to had done some sort of a maybe like an if-then statement to check that the sold amount was greater. Like if it's greater, then return this value, else return a warning sign. But anyway, let's run it now with 120 and see what happens. There you go. All right, so there is the first choose your own adventure in level 7 in lesson 3. I hope that's helpful. Oh, test. Yes, is it going to work? Is it going to work? Uh-oh. It didn't work, so it's calculate. Ooh, the rate of return is, let's see, get the square root of the sold amount, then I forgot to subtract 1 from the amount. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Minus 1. Is that all I have to do? Do I have to do that? There you go. We got it.